I was born in Waterbury, Connecticut. In 1981, moved to Atlanta, Georgia, met my husband there, and we moved here to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and Thanksgiving weekend of 2016. Living in the Deep South was really not a conducive vibe for any more spiritual growth. And we had been through Albuquerque in 2007 on a road trip. And so while we were deciding, like, where do we go? What do we, where are we gonna find comfort and support? Albuquerque was one of the first places that came to mind. I go by LadyJennD, and I'm a collage artist. I call myself a visual DJ, so that is a great way to describe collage. Like a DJ mixes sounds to create a song. I mix images and words to create a visual song. When I first started doing collage, I was definitely in a place of feeling like literally, metaphorically, every single way you could feel something in between worlds. That has a huge impact on what comes out of the collages that I create. I grew up in the 80s also, so like influenced by like the pop culture of the things that, I grew up with, the fantasy movies, and like everything was like so fantastical and imaginative, and I always want to like hold on to those things because those are the things that like gave me comfort and solace as a child. Highlights magazine is a huge influence on like a lot of my work. The hidden pictures aspect of the covers, really you can see that in like everything that I create because you always find something kind of different, even in the minimal works, right? Like you're like, oh, I didn't see that little butterfly or that little flower before, and that's kind of a nod to that part of my childhood. 95% of my collage artwork is analog artwork, and analog is hand cutting and hand pasting. Sometimes it happens a lot like that, it's a lot of muscle memory, it's a lot of like, I kind of know what's in here, kind of don't. But I just find things and I play with them. Collage is like something that came into my life as it was instrumental in saving my physical existence and emotional, spiritual, and mental existence. 15 years ago, I was in a really bad place. I was back home with family in Connecticut trying to fertilize these roots and heal. And I was sitting at my cousin's feeling really sad. And I looked over and there was a Time magazine. I look over, there's a piece of cardboard. That's how it started, literally, and I didn't realize it at the time, but what it was piecing myself back together. As we were getting ready to leave Georgia, I noticed that a lot of the colors that I was drawn to in terms of paint and different ephemera were deserty colors, And so moving to Albuquerque, it was like, oh God, there's a lot more trees here, than we thought, and a lot more even like land diversity as well as like people diversity and art diversity and all that. So that brings us here to this studio. I was like, wow, I have enough room to also invite other people to share my space with, which is something I really loved from the moment I started working in this creative community, because it brings it back to like wanting to offer and share space and facilitate things for other people to show. I had met Orion through his mother, who was a great jewelry artist. I noticed that he was interested in showing art and creating art himself, and I thought, let me offer him the space and see if he wants to have his first little show.
Wow. First art show? Yeah. Hey, naps, props. That was great. That's pretty impressive. I think you're already better than me and stuff.
It gets busy during the art walk, so there's a lot of people that like, a lot of strangers, and he did really good, and so you probably see my face, like that just means like so much to me, just to be able to like, like I said, like share this space and to see how much like they can grow, they can do, they're capable of. Like it was so beautiful watching like him interact with other kids and really like talking to them about like his process and showing his work, and other kids like sharing their work with him. It was just like this really amazing, beautiful, inspiring vibe. That's something that is really important to me and that I really value here in Albuquerque, here, in any creative community really, is just sharing, collaborating, vibing, inspiring each other, and you can only do that with like, you know, shared spaces.